ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः। अथ द्वादशोऽध्यायः भक्तियोगः। क्लेशोऽधिकतरस्तेषाम् अव्यक्तासक्तचेतसाम् अव्यक्ता हि गतिर्दुःखम् देहवद्भिरवाप्यते। ये तु सर्वाणि कर्माणि मयि सन्न्यस्य मत्पराः अनन्येनैव योगेन मां ध्यायन्त उपासते। तेषामहं समुद्धर्ता मृत्युसंसारसागरात् भवामि न चिरात् पार्थ मय्यावेशितचेतसाम्। मय्येव मन आधत्स्व मयि बुद्धिं निवेशय निवसिष्यसि मय्येव अत ऊर्ध्वन्न संशयः। अथ चित्तं समाधातुम् न शक्नोषि मयि स्थिरम् अभ्यासयोगेन ततो मामिच्छाप्तुं धनञ्जय। अथ if चित्तम mind samadhatum to fix na shaknoshi you are unable mayi on me sthiram steadily abhyasa yogena by the yoga of constant practice tatah then mam me ichha seek aptum to reach dhananjaya O Arjuna the winner of wealth. अभ्यासेऽप्यसमर्थोऽसि मत्कर्म परमो भव। मदर्थमपि कर्माणि कुर्वन् सिद्धिमवाप्स्यसि। अभ्यासे in abhyasa yoga or constant practice, api if or also, asamartha unable to, asi you are, mat karma paramah dedicate all actions to me, bhava be, mat artham for my sake, api even or also, karmani all actions, kurvan performing, siddhim perfection, avapsyasi you shall attain. अथैतदप्यशक्तोऽसि कर्तुं मद्योगमाश्रितः सर्वकर्मफलत्यागम् ततः कुरु यतात्मवान्। अथ, if etat, this, api, even or also, ashaktah, unable, asi, you are, kartum, to do, mat, to me, yogam, with devotion, ashritah, taking refuge, sarva, all, karma, actions, phala, fruit, tyagam, renunciation, tatah, then, kuru, do, yata atmavan, self-controlled. श्रेयो हि ज्ञानमभ्यासात् ज्ञानाध्यानं विशिष्यते। ध्यानात् कर्मफलत्यागः त्यागात् शान्तिरनन्तरम्। Shreyah, better, he, indeed, or because, jnanam, knowledge, abhyasat, than practice, jnanat, than knowledge, dhyanam, meditation, vishishyate, superior, dhyanat, than meditation, karma phala, fruit of actions, tyagah, renunciation, tyagat, after renunciation, shantihi, peace, anantaram, immediately follows. Steadfast devotion to God is the ultimate sadhana, but most seekers cannot achieve this. Alternately, by selflessly performing actions for God's sake, one can steady the mind and attain Him. If even this is not possible, a devotee can achieve peace and eventually attain God by surrendering the fruits of his actions to Him. The path of renunciation is said to be most beneficial for God realization. If you are unable to fix your mind steadily on me, O the winner of wealth, then seek to reach me by the yoga of constant practice of withdrawing the mind and fixing it on a particular object. If you are unable to practice Abhyasa Yoga, then dedicate all actions to me. You shall also attain perfection by performing all actions for my sake. If you are unable to do even this, then taking refuge in me with devotion, renounce the fruits of all actions and be self-controlled. Knowledge is better than blind practice. Meditation with knowledge is better than mere knowledge. Renunciation of the fruits of actions is superior to meditation, for peace follows immediately after such renunciation. Atha chittam samadhatum न शक्नोषि मयि स्थिरम् अभ्यासयोगेन ततो मामिच्छाप्तुं धनञ्जय। अभ्यासेऽप्यसमर्थोऽसि मत्कर्म परमो भव मदर्थमपि कर्माणि कुर्वन् सिद्धिमवाप्स्यसि। अथैतदप्यशक्तोऽसि कर्तुं मद्योगमाश्रितः सर्वकर्मफलत्यागं ततः कुरु यतात्मवान्। श्रेयो हि ज्ञानमभ्यासात् ज्ञानाध्यानं विशिष्यते ध्यानात् कर्मफलत्यागः त्यागात् शान्तिरनन्तरम्।